Hello everyone, welcome back to Unique News. I am your host, and today we have got some thrilling updates about a popular couple in the Soul Night. Let's dive right in. Yağmur Yüksel, the beloved actress, recently shared a new reel that left her fans in awe. The reel showcased not just her acting powers but also engaged a freeze of excitement among her fans. Fans could contain their joy, and they speculated about a potential marriage between Yağmur Yüksel and Barış. The reel hinted at a romantic storyline, leading fans to believe that their favorite on-screen couple might have taken their love story off-screen as well. The details in my video, and if you like it, I didn't to be very happy you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me even more by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you, and let's get into my video. However, it's important to note that the reel was actually a part of Yağmur Yüksel and the practice drama project. The talented duo displayed their incredible chemistry, giving rise to rumors of a secret wedding. While the reel had everyone taking, we are here to clarify that as of now, there's no concrete evidence of a wedding between Yağmur Yüksel and Barış. Practice rumors about elegant marriage should be taken with a grain of skepticism, as much of fans endure their favorite celebrity. It's crucial to remember that their personal lives deserve respect and privacy. Speculations can often get out the hand, so it's best to wait for official announcements. Thank you, Unique News. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and the latest entertainment news. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you. Bye bye.